Now to the Ebola drug that could be a breakthrough in treating COVID-19 patients.
It's called Remdesivir, and today the Food and Drug Administration gave emergency approval for doctors to use it in more patients at hospitals. And as CBS 4's Carrie Codd explains, the family of one South Florida man who just left the hospital says it worked wonders on him.
We'll be working very closely to get that to patients.
Daniel O'Day is the chief of Gilead Sciences, the pharmaceutical company behind the drug Remdesivir. On Friday, the Food and Drug Administration gave Gilead emergency use approval to use Remdesivir as treatment for COVID-19 patients. In clinical trials, the drug has been shown to reduce the amount of time by several days that it takes patients to recover from the virus. At the White House Friday afternoon, O'Day said the company is ramping up production and plans to donate 1.5 million doses.
Because there are patients out there that can benefit from this medicine today that are hospitalized, and we don't want any time to waste for that.
Dr. Jose Castro is an infectious disease expert at the University of Miami. He did not participate in the first round of clinical trials on the drug, but he said the initial results show a reason for cautious optimism.
It blocks the reproduction of the virus, so the virus is not effective making new copies.
And we're already seeing results even in South Florida. 66-year-old Benjamin Broomfield left Memorial Regional Hospital in Hollywood after a life and death struggle with COVID-19. We spoke with him Friday at his home in Dania Beach.
Right now, it feels strange because it's like the day the earth stood still. All I remember is the 6th. After that, I don't remember anything.
His family believes getting the drug Remdesivir played a major role in Broomfield's recovery. They said at one point his lungs were 80% blocked and he was on a ventilator.
The very first time they gave it to him, the next morning when we got the report back, he was already improving.
We won the lottery because family is everything to the Broomfields.
Bloomfield took part in a clinical trial of Remdesivir at Memorial Regional. There are more than 1,000 patients taking part in trials across the U.S. Doctors at Memorial spoke about the trial.
And in the future, this drug may also be available to other patients in earlier stages of disease, so even more patients can benefit.
The Broomfields would like one of those patients to be Benjamin's son, who is hospitalized with COVID-19 at another Memorial facility. Experts caution that while promising, Remdesivir is not a cure for COVID-19 and that more research and study needs to be done. In fact, a clinical trial is still ongoing here at Memorial Regional, and there are clinical trials going on across the country. Memorial says they have applied to use this drug at their other locations. In Hollywood, Carrie Codd, CBS 4 News Tonight.